A beautiful piece of salmon like this deserves really nice treatment in the pan. I love to cook salmon with the skin on. This skin will get crispy and delicious. Always salt it generously before putting in the pan. Oh, and make sure you dry it also, important. And salt with coarse salt. Throughout these recipes, I'm using a kosher salt. And now 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a hot skillet. This is a non-stick, similar to the kind we use for the scallop. And put the salmon in skin side down over medium to high heat to make sure that it has enough time to brown and crisp. Just go like that to make sure that it's moving and not sticking. And make sure also that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. When searing a piece of fish or meat that's thick, it's best to finish it in the oven to ensure that it cooks evenly, as we did with the duck. So here we have our salmon. It's been about 5 minutes. I think the skin is seared nicely. Now just turn this piece over. Ah, lovely. And so now transfer this directly to a 350-degree preheated oven. Looks good. And now I think the fish is done. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. So easy. That's the beauty of pan searing. Now a trick to seeing if the fish is done is insert the knife into the center and feel if it's warm. It is warm. So this will be very nicely cooked salmon. Lift it carefully, place it on the plate. Now this should be served with risotto, with any number of things. It's really beautiful. Now, if you want to gussy it up a little bit, a compound butter, fresh, sweet butter, with some fresh herbs in it, like tarragon or chervil, mild herbs, very, very nice with salmon. That can be placed right atop the fish, like that. And you have a very beautiful presentation and a very healthy dish. Pan-seared salmon, easy, delicious, nutritious, and fast.